Ooh, how'd the shopping trip go? Wow, I sure hope you kept the receipt.
Ew.
Well, they just don't make cabbages like they used to. Well, it's cute, but I still want a candy. Sure is a lot of work for just a doll's head. But I guess the head is all we need. Especially when we've got honey mustard. Oh, and hot dogs. Let's see. Wow! This doll comes complete with her very own dream toilet. There's an even tinier toilet inside that sharpens pencils. And if you lift the lid, there are tiny erasers inside. I guess now we come to the sold separately part. Well, at least we can sharpen this chocolate pencil. Something tells me that's not soft serve. Oh, thank you, Mr. Ceiling. It's a pet bag, perfect for your feline friend. And look, there's already a cat inside. Let's see if we can lure him out. Does Kitty want a sausage? Look, you're a regular king of the beasts. Of course, cats are practically royalty already. How about a swing ride, Your Majesty? Blow me a big one. Kinda needs more air. What else is in here? A bubble pig. We'll fill the room up in no time. Of course, we need to give him his bottle. Can't expect a pig to work on an empty stomach. Now the fun can begin. Let's take him outside. Makes you just want to fill the world with bubbles. This guy looks like he could use some bubbles. Well, better out than in, as I always say. Look at all that yummy corn! We've got just the thing, a corn stripper. Stop motion strikes again, and one remains. Don't worry, it's just like shearing a sheep. Now the cob feels nice and cool. But if you prefer to use your teeth to do the job, these corn holders are just what you needed. And the best part, you don't have to choose. Happy birthday! Wow, this bird's an egg separator. We just need a bird to lay an egg. Now be a good boy and cough out those whites. Oh, good. Get your pan ready, 'cause we're frying up a yolk. Looking good. Let's add a skewer. Everything tastes better on a stick. And toppings. A whole lot of toppings. Ooh, always wanted to have heart eyes. Just like in cartoons. And just take a look.
Wow!
Now, anytime, anywhere, you can see the love. Yep, that should hit the spot. Well, it would have if it stayed still. Can we fix it? Maybe this Pita blanket will cheer you up. Add toppings. One cannot live on Pita alone. And now for the main ingredient. You! Get swaddling! Such small portions. If only there was a giant Pita walking around. Wow, a magic decorator. Oh, right. You sold your hair for that gold chain. Good thing you've got backup hair. Time to add some jewels. Oh, it's all so sparkly. And look, instant mustache. Add a goatee, and you're Master Roshi. Wow, she really likes eggs. Still kind of rubbery. Stretchy, too. Like a rubber band. Well, a squishy egg needs some squishy bread. Don't you want to just squish it all together? And we've got the perfect side dish. Scramble slime! A little imagination, and it's a macaroni salad. Or confetti frosting. Yeah, let's go with confetti frosting. We can whip something up with these slimes. First, pour the orange slime into a cup, like Jell-O. Add the white slime on top, and it's whipped cream. Now I'm suspicious about those strawberries. Well, let's see if they pass the blender test. Real or not, they're slime now. Don't forget the straw, and be careful. Sticks might be stickier than they appear. Hey, what's that smell? Looks like our unicorn pal's doing his business. I have to ask, what are you feeding him? Well, look at all that fun slime. And there's a new friend inside. Aw, what a cute little elephant. Looks like she's brought her friends along too. We've got a whole set. Let's start a band. Yeah, we gotta start washing these dishes. And we've got just a friend to help us. Good idea. Keep crying. We need the water. It's just the thing to perk up our sponge. This looks like a multi-sponge job. Just add water, and soon, the gang's all here. A few wipes, and the job's all done. Don't let that one get away. It's a foam maker. Open it up and pour in some soap. Now just pretend you're churning butter. Ooh, just look at all that foam. Nice and thick. Oh, don't put it to waste. Lather it on. Spick and span. Don't forget eye holes. Time to wake up and greet the day. Ooh, were you going for the raccoon look? Maybe there's something in here that can help. Just plop these rainbow patches on tight. Wow, all better, like a brand new face. Which just means a blank canvas. And we've got the perfect thing for blush. I guess she likes the just kissed look. Maybe we should just blend it all in. Much better. Now it's time to hydrate. Wait, that's no smoothie. It's lip balm. Outsmart those cold, dry winter days. Pucker up. Time for an encore from Bubble Piggy. least she kept the lid on. Hey, he needs his 20 hours a day. Frugal-rific stuff. Catch you next time.